morning, dear students. Shall we start our class? Okay. So, today we are going to learn or start a new chapter, that is basic geometrical ideas. What is basic geometrical ideas? Let's see. First one, I am taking a line segment. What is that? Line segment. What is line segment? I am taking a line. Okay, I just draw a line and I am marking at each point. There are 2 points. I am marking at each end of the line. So this is A and B. These are the 2 names that I am giving for the 2 points. Okay. So first one is A and B. Okay. So this is known as a line segment. It is stopped there. Okay. Then it cannot continue the line. Stop there. So A to B. This is one line segment, and B to A. This is another one line segment. It is denoted as AB line segment and BA line segment. Okay. A is the starting point and B is the ending point. So it is the line segment AB. Then line segment BA. It denotes starting point is B and ending point is A. Okay. So this is the line segment. Okay. Next one is the line. Line is nothing but I am just drawing a line. Then this is one point and here is one point. So I am taking A and P. P that denotes, I am just denoting a point. Okay. So AP. Okay. So AP or AB. AP or AB. Whatever may be, you can give. So I am just taking as it is, I am taking in the line segment. So I am taking A and B. So it is continuous in the A and B point. Okay. It is not stopping. Okay. It is not stopping like the line segment. It is a continuous process. Okay. If I am taking a line, then I am marking A and B. Then it can continuous in both sides. If it can continuous on both sides, it is known as a line. It is known as a line. Okay. The definition is a line through 2 points. A line through 2 points A and B. Okay. A line through 2 points A and B that denotes AB line. This is the denotion of that is denoting as line segment, and this is the symbol of line. Okay. So AB. So line AB. So line AB, that is denoting as like this. It extends indefinitely in both directions. It extends indefinitely in both directions. Not only in one direction, both direction we can extend the line. So it contains a countless number of points. So it is not containing a correct number. It can a countless. It can be a countless number of points. Okay. It is an indefinite. So we can mark many points like that. Okay. So I am just taking the 2 points as A and B. So it is denoting as the line AB. Okay. Then, so this is the difference between these two. First one is the line segment, that is stopping on both sides. It cannot continuous or it cannot extend the line. It can be extended. Okay. In line, we can extend. The next one is the intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. What is an intersecting lines? Intersection is nothing but if if we meet, or the line that meeting, the two lines that are meeting. Okay. If two lines are meeting at one point. Okay. Like this. I'm just taking, okay, two lines. This is one line and this is two. So line 1 and line 2. Okay. Line 1 and line 2. So this is line 1 and line 2. This is the intersection point. Okay. The two lines that are meeting one point, one certain point. That is known as intersecting point. What is that? Intersecting point. Okay. So this is the intersection. Okay. If we are taking two lines, if it is intersecting at one point, it is known as an intersection, or it is an intersecting lines. Okay. Then next one is a parallel lines. Next one is the parallel lines. Parallel lines is nothing but, if I am taking the two lines, this is the two lines. Okay. For example, a railway track. If you saw a railway track, it is the parallel lines. Okay. It cannot intersect with each other. It is the parallel lines, so that the train can move easily. Okay. So this is the parallel lines. It cannot intersect with each other. Okay. If it is intersect, it is known as an intersecting lines, or it cannot, or which do not meet. It is not intersecting. That is known as parallel lines. For example, a railway track. Okay. So parallel lines is nothing but lines like this which do not meet. Lines like this which do not meet are known as parallel lines. Okay. The next one I am taking as ray. What is a ray? A ray. I'll just read a definition. A ray is the portion of a line. Okay. So I'm just taking a line. So a ray is the portion of a line. So this is the line. Okay. This is the line. I'm giving the name as A, and here is the point P. Okay, here is the point P. So A and P, and it continues on one direction. It starts at one point and goes endlessly in a direction. This is the starting point and it moves on. Okay, it goes on continuously. Okay, so it starts at one point and goes endlessly in a direction. Okay, starting point and goes endlessly in one direction. Okay, so this is the starting point. A is the starting point and P is the portion. P is the portion of that line. That is a ray. Okay, and one side that it continues. Okay, endlessly it goes on. Okay, is it clear all of you? I'll just explain once again these topics. First one, what are the topics that we discussed today? First one is the line segment. Okay, first one is line segment. So line segment is nothing but, if I am taking these 2 points, so A and B, it is the line segment, and B to A, this is the another line segment. Okay, a line and having 2 points. Okay, it stopped there. Okay, it cannot continuous or endlessly in one direction. It cannot go endlessly in one direction, or it cannot indefinite. It cannot be moves on continuously with any other directions. Okay. So this is the line segment. Line segment, 2 points and 1 line. So A to B is the one line segment and B to A is the one line segment. It denotes AB line segment, BA line segment. That is, A is the starting point and B is the ending point. Here B is the starting point and A is the ending point. Okay. The next one, a line. A line is nothing but A, B. It is the line and it denotes the line AB. Okay. 2 arrow marks should be there because it continuously, it can extend in both direction. Okay. It can extend in both directions, from A or from B. Okay. It can extend. So this is known as the line. It cannot extend on both sides. It can be extend on both sides. Okay. Then next one is the intersecting lines. What is intersecting lines? If you are taking a two lines, it meeting at one point, that is known as a two lines that meeting at one point is known as an intersecting lines. Okay. Next one is the parallel. What is parallel? If we are drawing or if you are taking a two lines, it is not intersecting or which do not meet at any point. That is known as the parallel lines. Next one is the ray. The ray is nothing but if you are taking a line and taking this is the one point and it endlessly goes on in another direction. And it endlessly goes on another direction. A ray is the portion of a line. So, it is just a portion of the line. So, A, P. That P that can continuously extended. Okay. So, these are the 5 topics that we discussed today. Line segment is nothing but it cannot continuous or it cannot extend the line on both sides. A line, if you are taking a line, it can continuously extend it on both sides. Intersecting means if you are taking a two lines, that is line 1 and line 2. If you are taking the two lines, it meeting at one point. The two lines that meeting at one point is known as an intersecting points. Then parallel. Parallel is nothing but this is the two lines that cannot meet at any point, that is known as the parallel lines. Then a ray. A ray is nothing but A is the starting point and it continuously goes on in one direction. For example, if we can say it for a ray, it is a torchlight. Okay. So if you are taking a torchlight, it is the light that continuously moves on. Okay. If we turn on the torch, okay, turn on the torch, it is the starting point, but the light that extending, isn't it? The line that extending the light. That is the example for the ray, okay, a torchlight. Parallel lines, it is nothing but a railway track. Okay, if you see the railway track on the rail, if you are going a railway station, if you are going to a railway station, you can see the track. It will be in a parallel lines. Okay, it cannot meet at any points. Okay, then intersecting that, it is intersecting two lines. Okay, if you are taking a road, the road that will meet with another road. Okay, if you are traveling, we will turn to another road. Okay, so the two roads are meeting, or 2 or 3 roads are meeting. That meeting point is known as intersecting. Okay, then line and line segment, you already know. Line is the continuous process, but line segment is the particular portion. Okay, particular portion or line segment that cannot extended on both sides. Okay, so I hope all have understood these 5 what we are learning today. Okay, so we can meet in the next class with another topic. Thank you.